For those of you that don't know, the DMX CAT allows you to look up a fixture as well as choosing the mode it's in, putting in the address, and then having control of it to test your lights before it goes up in a rig, or even like now for just testing it. Alright, we got them all put together. Got power. This little thing is gonna be power. And we got our trusty little DMX CAT. Some of you guys heard me talk about this. I'm gonna show you what it does. Alright, it's on. We got power. Let's see if any error codes come up. Nope. Alright, so far it looks all good. Now I'm gonna plug this DMX CAT in. I got fat hands. This sucks. Okay, it's on. Let's test it. Let's turn this guy on. That's good. Now he should pop up. Sweet. Okay, let's go to fixture. I already have these profiles saved, so we're gonna look for Atomic 3000. Address is 313. Next. Alright, that's a good sign. Now we're just going to bring it up. Let's increase it. Yeah, that's probably good. All good. Alright, so we have this guy plugged in. We're going to go ahead and test him with the DMX CAT. So far, so good. So alright, we got him clacked in. It's turned on. Go to our trusty little DMX CAT app. Gonna look at fixture. Mac Aura right there, extended 25 channel. And the DMX on this guy. Whenever you're gonna address, just hit any of these buttons and you can move it, or else it's gonna try to bite you. So right there, DMX address starting at 1. So if we go to this guy, yep, starting at 1. Hit next. Cool, now we got him. So if we move the tilt, I'm going to check out the zoom. Alright, that's good. Alright, let's go ahead and turn them on. Or a dimmer. Cool. We're going to pan it. What I was talking about earlier, if we try to move it, yep, bite you. Hit any button, and then it comes loose. Alright, let's check the colors.
Yeah, I can feel it in my eyes.
All good. Next. Okay, as the last aura goes back in the case, these guys are pretty much good. So once again, we had the Mac Auras, and then we had the Atomic LED 3000s, both from Martin. Now, like I said, these got hit with well, it's monsoon season. Sit out. As long as you don't have any standing water, you should be good. But other than that, I think this day is done as far as lighting goes. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful, and if you have any questions, hit me up. Smash that like button, subscribe, whichever, don't matter. But thank you guys for watching.